Hello, amazing traders, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Forex, and this morning I'll be quickly doing continuous basic market structure on GBP JPY analysis for perfect entry. And without wasting much of our time, let me quickly go to basic analysis for this morning. This is 4-hour time frame, and this market started buying on Monday. Yes, a Sunday night. Immediately, this is where this Sunday market opened. Our market has been moving steadily, though I was not able to enter here because it was in the midnight. But fortunately, on Monday morning, I was able to enter around here. And currently, as we are speaking right now, we have been able to catch average of 200 pips right away. But this is where the topic, this is where I'm taking my profit. And you might be wondering, why am I taking my profit here? Why not here? Or why can't market come to this place? The reason why I'm taking my profit along this key level is simple. Let me bring out a simple tool so that you examine what this market is doing. Now, this is Fibonacci key level, and if you understand about market structure, Fibonacci is one of the special key indicators that is extremely effective, and you cannot take the Fibonacci key level slightly. Fortunately enough, at 0.618, in between 0.618 and 0.05 is this resistance level. And this resistance level is one of the strongest because this is the same resistance level market broke out last week. If you have not watched the previous video, go and watch it in order to know when I was running this analysis, when market broke this key level and retest. Fortunately, that same key level market is coming back to that key level right now. And I don't want a situation whereby you're expecting to take profit here, but you're supposed to take your profit here. You're supposed to take your profit here, but because you are thinking that market is moving, let me come and take it here, and market decided to drop everything. No, 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 no. Because I am not even sure only few traders are ready to take as much as huge profit from the market. This is the power of raw price action reading. This is 400 pips. By the time this market reaches this place, 400 pips is huge. Yes, it's very, very huge because a lot of traders will just take 50 pips and be going. No, 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 no. You have to understand that is why you must trust your analysis. You must be able to be comfortable with the nature. You must study the market enough to learn how market works and how you will respond and react to the nature of the market. Now, right now, one of the reasons why I am planning to exit this market at this key level of 194,500 is simple. Now, there are major, 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 major concerns that will make me to leave that market as soon as possible. Now, concern number one is this support level, this resistance level is effective. This resistance level. Now you can see it here. As I'm pointing it here, now exactly the same thing here. So it will be out of being greedy if market move from here right now to this key level. And how many pips is loading here? This is 200 pips. It will be out of greediness when market move from this zone again to this zone, and you're still waiting for market to take from this zone to this zone. You cannot pick every market completely. You cannot take the entire movement of the market. But the most important thing is learn how to exit market on time. Don't be greedy. Yes, because a lot of traders, they want to bounce as money as possible. It's okay, but most of the time, don't be greedy. Yeah, so I'm expecting market to move today, between today and tomorrow. How many pips do we have here? 200 pips. It means that if this buy side liquidity continue, this market continue the buying side between now, before the dawn of today or tomorrow morning, this market will actually come to this key level. And once it reaches this key level 19400, I am exiting the market as fast as possible. And that is power of raw price action reading. No indicator, nothing. Just pure basic market structure. And like I said earlier yesterday, one of the reasons why I took this trade was this amazing, imperfect head and shoulder chart patterns. Yes, you might be wondering, like, how was I able to take this trade? It might not be perfect, but it's something amazing, you know? Now, because the textbook one is always different, I know. But this is not textbook, this is real market right now. And real market structure is different from textbook. It's different. So this is, I call it imperfect because sometimes some of the market structure are always perfect than this one. But you can easily see that if this is inverse head and shoulder, it means that this is the neckline. And if it is the neckline, yes, I know that if market actually want to continue, if market want to feed this law of inverse head and shoulder, market is coming here, I believe. But so also I'm concerned. And one of the, I believe the market is coming here. But despite the market is coming here, I am concerned about this key level. So I might not exit the market completely, but I might exit by 90%. Yes, take 90% of my profit out while leaving the remaining small 10% or even 5% out of the market because market can decide to come to this key level and drop it back to this key level before moving up. And that is why you must not be greedy because it will not make sense for me to wait for this market in Sunday to move to this key level on maybe Wednesday or today is Thursday. I move to this key level today and between now and tomorrow and between Thursday and Friday, market has neutralized everything because that is market for you. And always remember, sell side is always brutal than buying side. When market want to drop, it will drop massively, extensively, aggressively. And once you understand that, it gives you because it will be an advantage for me if I take my profit here and that market now pull back to this key level and I enter again. The market is now moving to this key level. That is a strength for me. Than, lo- than waiting for market to reach this key level and now empty the entire profit again. No, 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 no. That is not a sign of a good trader because one of the qualities of being a good trader is you must be disciplined. You must be disciplined. And you can see that in you must be disciplined. In 4 hour time frame, in 1 hour, now this is 1 hour time frame. You can see that when this market was now pulled back, there was psychology of this candlestick as a form of rejection was different. Now, this is first of all indecision. Indecision. This is doji candlestick. This is indecision. This is buying pressure, buying pressure. And once market take this key level out, once market take this key level out, it means that market is coming here as much as possible. And that is one of the exciting things about trading. But like I usually said, if anybody is telling you that it is easy, you will make free money. It is true. But you would have paid the price 1,000 times more before you started making the free money. And when you understand that, you give yourself time. So, because losing streak exists. If anybody is telling you that their strategy work 90% of the time, it's either they are lying to you. For example, my strategy will not work 90% of the time. It's not even working 60% of the time, but average of 35 to 50, maybe 35 to 45%. But despite that, this is something exciting because imagine entering market, this same market here, and you exit here. That is 400 pips minimum. That 400 pips is scalper that enter the market and is clicking buying and sell. Will not be able to catch this entire pip in a single trend, in a single move. So that is the characteristics. Now, a scalper will tell you that, yes, I've been able to bank my 50 pips and I exit the market. Wonderful. Then intraday trader will say, yes, I'm able to bank my 50 or 100 pips or 200 pips and I exit the market. Wonderful. But the most important question is this. Before you choose any strategy, you must understand yourself because it takes a lot of psychology, emotional stability to go and sleep off since Sunday when you can easily do what? When you can easily do whatever you want. Now, today is Thursday, which means that this market started since 4 days ago. So if you are not emotionally stable, if you don't understand the nature of market, you will not be able to withstand 4 days in the market. This is the fourth day. And I'm so happy because it took me time to actually find myself in the market space. It took me a lot of time because I'm a type of person that once market is moving up or into my direction, I am always want to take my profit as much as possible because one of the most popular things that they usually say online is 1:1 is effective. Yes, 1:1 can still make you profitable. But the question is this: your psychology, your emotions, your feelings, is it 1:1 feelings? I'm a kind of person that I hate to be losing. I hate losing. I want to be perfect every time. And as a result of that, since I cannot win the market 100%, I cannot even win 60%, then let me make my entry and exit count so that I do not just enter market every time. So whenever I enter the market, I am trying as much as possible at least to pick average of 1:2 to 1:3 to 1:4. And that is something exciting because those who say that they are strategy work 90% of the time, their strategy is not even their risk to reward is not even 1:1. Some are their loss is 1 ratio, their loss is ratio 1, while their profit is 0.50, 0.70. So that is the power of raw price action reading. And that is one of the exciting things that if you put in the work in this market, you will make the difference. Yes, it's not going to be easy, but with time, you will make the difference. You market begins to show you how it moves because there was a season in my life that when I see the market, I'll be just angry. In fact, I usually take buy sell side alone, not selling side, because I didn't even know what market is doing. There was a season of my life that is all I have. But now I can click buy or sell anytime, any day once my setup shows up. So if you are hopping from strategy to strategy with different grammar, thinking that you will find hooligan in the market space, please, you are wasting your time. You are wasting your time. So this yellow line is the line that give us the entry on Monday morning. Yes, this was Monday morning around. I woke up around I think 2 or 3 a.m. Yes, that is when I entered this market because I was angry that I woke up late. So I entered around here a.m. in the morning before this bullish side shows up. And that is one thing about market. So I don't know where you are across the world that you are watching this channel. If you watch to this key level, to this time of the day or to this time, you can become profitable. You will be. But please give yourself time. Study as if your life depends on it because eventually it does. And my wish for you is to become profitable. My wish for you is to remove yourself from the statistic of 90% of traders do not make money. If you are here to win, please study, learn, watch all the videos that I've produced in the past. If you have any questions, put your comment below. And when I see it, I will respond to you. So that is all I have for you guys this morning on GBP JPY called Mr. Beast. So I'll be taking my profit around here. No indicator, nothing, just pure price action reading. And that is the excitement of being a chart analyst. Yes, it's you block out every form of noise and you do what? You face your own journey. So thank you for watching this morning. Till I come your way again next time. Be safe.